We're here to discuss forcible entry in a conventional method using a set of irons, which is a Halligan and an 8-pound flathead axe. Okay, what we're going to talk about first is forcing a door that opens towards us. Two ways to determine which way the door forces is, first thing we're going to do is size it up. Which way does the door swing? What's the door constructed of? Is it wood? Is it steel? Is it in a wood frame, a concrete wall, steel frame? That's going to determine how hard it is to force. Okay, your hardest doors are going to be in the back of your commercial buildings. Okay, so that's something to be thinking about when you're going to that door. What tools am I going to need? What are my techniques? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to size this up. So which way does the door swing? With this door, it swings towards us. How do we know that? We can see the hinges and the door is flush with the wall. Okay, typical for your commercial buildings in the back of the building. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is try before we pry it. We're going to try this door and make sure it's not already unlocked. If it is already locked, we're going to go ahead and force it conventionally. First thing we're going to do is take a Halligan and we're going to shock the door. We're going to hit it high, middle, and low. And what that does, it loosens the door up and may actually start bending the metal so that we can force this door. Go ahead, Dave. All right. Okay, so he shocked the door. Real door, the metal's going to start bending. You might start getting your gap. It might start loosening things up. You're going to determine where your locks are. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to gap the door. A couple ways to gap the door. We can take our adze end of our Halligan and set it within 6 to 8 inches above or below the lock. So go ahead, come on this side, Dave. And Trevor can drive that in. All right, stop, keep going.